Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us see how to create YouTube banner in less than 5 minutes. First of all, I am going to Canva and in the search box, I am typing YouTube and I'll click YouTube channel art and click on create a blank YouTube channel art. Now I'll go to elements and I'll search for abstract organic brush stroke, and here I have used few recently, so I'm selecting from that. You can click on it and it will be added to the page. You can arrange it as and how it is required. I'm using these two elements here. Now to add the channel name, I click on text and click on add a heading. Now here I will type the channel name. Heart is where the art is. Now I'm going to change the font to match with the theme of my channel. So I have selected Edu. Try to place most of the elements in the center of the page as much as possible, because depending on the type of the device from where the channel is being watched, few of the elements lying on the outer side will be hidden from visibility. I'm doing the exact thing here. I'm trying to place all the elements in the center of the page as much as possible. I'm doing some alignments. This looks pretty simple and clean, but it is somewhat blank, so to make it complete I will add a line above and below the channel name. So for that I go to elements and select line, and you can adjust the length of the line as and how it is required. So I'm going to copy that and pull it down. Now I'm going to change the color by clicking on color and selecting the color, whichever color is required. I will apply the same color for both the lines. You can adjust the thickness of the line by selecting the second icon on the top left corner of the workspace, that is next to the color picker. So I'm increasing the thickness a little bit to make it more visible. This looks pretty much complete. You can save this by clicking on share or download button on top right corner, and that image can be uploaded on the YouTube channel for YouTube channel art. That's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.